Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about our professional wireless at-home spray tan machine. This is an all-in-one spray tan gun, turbine, everything that you need to perform a full body spray tan. This is a great option for spray tan technicians that maybe need an option for a backup applicator, or if you are at home and you're just wanting to spray tan yourself or a loved one, this is a great option for you. This is the box that your professional wireless spray tan machine will come in. So you'll be able to open this box up. When you open up this box, you will receive your spray tan machine, the charger, an extra solution cup, 8-ounce samples of Original 9 and Luxe number 9, and then you'll also in this zipper receive the user manual and an extra filter for your machine. Let's talk about the features of this machine. So to turn it on, it's pretty simple. You'll just hold down this top button right here, and to turn it off, you'll just hold that top button as well. This dial right here will control the airflow of this machine. So if you want it on a low setting, you'll keep it around like a 1 or a 2, or if you want it on max, you'll get closer to a 5 or a 4. So you can always play around with this dial to find the right setting that works for you. The handle right here is actually going to be your solution cup. So this is detachable. You will turn it to the left to release it, fill up the solution in here, and then you can put it right back on. Your trigger works the same as any other professional spray tan applicator, so you'll pull this trigger back to release that solution, and when you let go of the trigger, airflow will be coming from the front of the gun. In the front of the applicator, this is going to be your air cap. This will control what direction that fan pattern is spraying. So if we have it in a vertical position like this, it will spray in a horizontal fan pattern, meaning that we're spraying top to bottom. Or if we turn it horizontal, this is going to be a vertical fan pattern, meaning that we're spraying side to side. For the most part, you're going to keep it in this vertical position. It is a chargeable wireless machine, so you'll be able to charge it. And as far as the charging time goes, it takes about 60 minutes to fully charge. And after it's fully charged, you have about 25 to 35 minutes of spraying time. And that goes over all of our features for this wireless at-home applicator. We hope you guys try it out and let us know what you think.